हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। सो फ्रेंड्स, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की तरफ से एक इम्पॉर्टेंट नोटिस है। सो गवर्नमेंट ने नोटिफाइड किया जो वॉलेंट्री यूज़ ऑफ आधार ऑथेंटिकेशन बाय आईबीपीएस फॉर कैंडिडेट वेरिफिकेशन इन एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्टेड बाय इट। तो जितने भी आईबीपीएस के थ्रू एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट होंगे उसके लिए आधार कार्ड मैंडेटरी कर दिया इन्होंने। ठीक है, वॉलेंट्री यूज़ ऑफ Aadhaar authentication. The Department of Financial Services, Ministry of Finance has issued a notification published in the Gazette of India Wide SO 837 authorizing the Institute of Banking Personal Selection to use Aadhaar authentication using yes or no or e-KYC authentication facility or voluntary basis for verifying the identity of candidate during examination and recruitment processes conducted by it. IBPS is a designated public examination authority under Public Examination Prevention of Unfair Means Act 2024. The notification has been published under Rule 5 of Aadhaar Authentication for Good Governance Rules 2020 read with relevant provision of the Aadhaar Act 2016. The said notification has been issued subsequent to the authorization by Ministry of Electronics and IT MEITY after consultation with the Unique Identification Authority of India UIDAI. This initiative aims to promote good governance and strengthen the integrity of the recruitment process in banking, financial services and insurance sector by preventing impersonation and other malpractices during examination. It will ensure not only a fair and transparent recruitment process but also protect genuine candidates from being disadvantaged due to fraudulent activities. It will also simplify and expedite identity verification, reduce administrative burden, and enhance public trust in the overall examination and selection system. ठीक है, सो दिस इज़ द इम्पॉर्टेंट नोटिस। सो अब आधार मैंडेटरी कर दिया गया आपके लिए और फिर एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्ट कराने के लिए इन्होंने ये स्टेप लिया है। सो बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड गुड नाइट।